Hello everyone, this is RC Anatomy, and today I have something special because this is something that isn't the normal type of content for me, but I got a phone. This is the Redmagic 11 Pro. It is a Android-based phone, and it is the most powerful phone on the market right now. This one is the 512 GB version with 12 gigs of RAM, I do believe. But this is going to be my first time looking at it. I'm so excited. Dang, this is a suction-y lid. Ugh. Get off of there. Get off! My goodness. Okay, so we've got a pack in here. I can't believe that I actually have this now. It's a little envelope. It should have... Yep, it's got a little manual SIM card tray remover. It's got this nice little basic case here. Just a plastic case, pretty generic. Does case things, prevents scratches and stuff like that. Just seems like a basic plastic. Then we have the phone itself. Dang, this thing looks insane. Oh yeah, we also have some other stuff. We've got an 80-watt charging brick, which is way more chunky than I expected. This thing is massive. I expected it to be like just like a normal size charging brick, but I mean, I guess for 80 watts you need quite a bit. Quite a bit of brick. Also a nice USB-C charging cable. It's a C to C cable, so you'll need to use a C power supply, which they have an 80-watt one here. It's kind of an orangey red color. Pretty nice. And then we have the phone itself, which looks gorgeous. Oh. This display is huge. It's got a little sticker here. This is the Sub-Zero 16 GB RAM, 512 GB storage. It does attract lots of fingerprints. My hands aren't super oily, so hopefully it shouldn't attract a ton, but this is actual liquid cool. It's actually liquid cooled. It's got the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. I think it's Gen 5. It's got 3 cameras, quad LED flash, a 2400 RPM turbofan, or no, 25,000 RPM. That's what I meant. But it looks incredible. We're gonna remove the plastic screen protector here. It does not feel as premium as glass. There we go. Look at that screen. We're gonna power it on. Let's see. Here we go, powered by Android. Look at this thing. It's so shiny, and then the back looks so nice too. This is insane. You guys probably don't know this, but the phone I have right now is a flip phone. Oh, hi there. Hi. We'll get this set up in just a second, but I want to show you the phone that I had before. So this is the phone I have right now. It's just a flip phone. It can do call and text. It can kind of text. It takes a long time. But this is what I have gone up to. And it is beautiful. Okay, so let's start this. Connect to mobile network. If you have SIM cards, insert them now. Okay. I'll need to insert a SIM card probably. We're gonna need to connect to the network. Okay, we have connected to the internet. We're gonna skip that. Skip account setup. Enter your new PIN. Okay, we're gonna do that for now. And then this part I'm really interested about, because it's got a really nice touch sensor there. No permissions. Okay, so after a little bit of setup, here's what we got. We've got our main apps here. We've got all our other apps. Phone is de-bloated now. I'm still getting used to all the swipe things. But the shoulder triggers are right here. And then this brings you into game space. So game space is basically where you hold all your games that you want to play. And then you can just start the game, it'll load. And then I have mine set to where it turns on the fan. And then I also have my shoulder triggers set up. So one's blue and one's red to show they're on. And then you can see this little dot in the corner. That's where my shoulder trigger is actually hitting. Okay. That's this phone basically. And then if you want to leave, you can exit like that, or you can just simply press the game space button, or it's not a button. Okay, that shouldn't have happened. What the heck? What the heck just happened? Turn on the screen camera. Okay, there we go. That wasn't supposed to happen. But yeah, that's this phone. Stayed very cool, and once we left game space, the fan and liquid cooling turned off, which is nice. It's got quite a few fingerprints now. But yeah, that's this phone, and that whole time I was at 90, and now I'm only down to 83, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit all the bells and whistles down below, and I hope to see you in the next video.